Hello everyone, welcome to Andy Visits. Possibly the most appealing aspect of the curious subgenre of the disaster movie is high budget spectacle and access. And sometimes the best of such films perfectly capture that spirit of a playful fireworks show. They feature an ensemble of stars, goofy archetypes, long run times, and state of the art effects that brings the disasters of our nightmares to life. So let's consider the 10 most entertaining or touching disaster movies. War of the Worlds. Steven Spielberg's ambitious take on H.G. Wells' classic strangely received warmer reviews from critics than audiences. Perhaps the family melodrama and the suspension of disbelief at times were a bit much for some. However, the film is an absolute thrill ride.
Lincoln Avenue.
See that?
The tripod designs are terrific, the CGI is convincing. John Williams' score is on point, and the action sequences are immersive thanks to the grounded camera work. It's primarily a survival story showing both the kindness and desperate ruthlessness humans resort to during emergencies. Also, the sense of mystery and awe-inspiring destruction are satisfying. The Poseidon Adventure. Gene Hackman leads the cast in this ship disaster. It's conceptually robust with the simplicity and intrigue of flipping a ship upside down. It makes for a series of visually compelling sets and a unique obstacle course for the desperate survivors. Hackman leads a decent cast as a priest, giving the film more depth than expected. However, the Irwin Allen classic establishes various archetypes that would permanently inform and perpetuate the disaster subgenre. Numerous suspense sequences test the characters' wit and moral fortitude. Rather than a CGI display, the characters must oversmart their dire, unprecedented situations. Independence Day. Independence Day is a shameless throwback to 50s alien invasions. It intentionally skews towards cheesy but doesn't shy away from a sincere death scene. The film is very much of its time, genuinely asking how the 90s would react to an alien invasion.
They're using our own satellites against us.
The ensemble cast mixes government with everyday people, overflowing with stereotypes and archetypes. However, the entire cast is so likable and full of natural charisma, it's still easy to invest. The pacing is terrific and the effects are just top-notch. Titanic. James Cameron's iconic film is one of the most famous romances of all time. It was a pop culture juggernaut with charming leads who clearly have great chemistry. In fact, the formulaic romance with a class divide wouldn't thrive without them. The ship herself was a fascinating vessel, and it's visually arresting to see her brought back to life. Once the disaster occurs, the desperation and white-knuckle action are bolstered by Cameron's skilled, grounded approach. The sinking is mercilessly heartbreaking and overwhelming.
Do not let go of my...
It's out of control. And it's coming your way.
The Towering Inferno. This brisk follows up the Poseidon Adventure boasts a remarkable cast, including both Steve McQueen and Paul Newman. The formula of its predecessor is often revisited with cheesy sentimentality and one-note characters, which are carried by familiar faces.
Set me down on the scenic elevator.
However, this isn't a natural disaster. The mesmerizing fire is caused by greed and hubris, which is equally interesting. This allows for an actual villain and careful countermeasures from the heroes. The systematic destruction of a massive high-rise provides some of the most incredible practical sets and action in the genre.
the towering inferno.
Twister. Twister takes an unusual approach to any disaster. Having its protagonists actively pursue disasters for the thrill, nature isn't the enemy here but a fascination, both wondrous and merciless. Storm chasing also gives a perfect reason for the protagonist to be in the middle of such danger to begin with. Most disaster movies can be a drag, aiming for bloated run times and overpopulated casts. But this story focuses on a small team that offers small town family vibe.
Nature itself.
The clock is running!
Apollo 13. Those who haven't the slightest interest in science or the space program can still be entertained by the incredible story. Ron Howard's film captures the sense of wonder regarding space and its mysteries. Its deep commitment to truth is commendable and unique among disaster movies. The psychological effects on the astronauts and their families makes for gripping drama. Their family dynamics and camaraderie are convincing and intriguing.
Face of the earth.
The Birds. This apocalyptic Hitchcock thriller uses a mysterious disaster scenario to fuel character drama. What began as a simple romantic comedy is imbued with suspicious bird activity that only escalates into violence. It's truly unique concept, taking such an ordinary animal and corrupting its familiarity with horror.
Thus saith the Lord God unto the mountains, the hills, and the rivers.
Given the ambiguous ending, let alone a terrifying diner sequence, it certainly applies to the disaster genre. However, the intriguing premise is merely a vehicle for equally compelling, thematically vibrant relationships.
Time to start a war against humanity.